I'm Harlina Lestari. I'm a student from Indonesian Christian University of Toraja. In this video, I will explain about the impact of COVID-19. COVID-19 is a disease caused by a virus. This virus attacks the human respiratory system. According to the World Health Organization, this virus began to spread throughout the world on March 9, 2020. Not only does it have an impact on health, but this virus has many impacts on human life. The following are some of the impact of COVID-19. The first is the increasing number of deaths worldwide due to COVID-19. According to the World Health Organization, the number of deaths from COVID-19 continues to increase worldwide. This is due to the lack of public awareness to continue to comply with health protocols. Even today, there are still many citizens who are not vaccinated due to a lack of understanding of this. The death rate of corona patients in Indonesia on Thursday, July 20, 2020 was again recorded as the highest number compared to other countries around the world. Based on updated data on COVID-19 in Indonesia announced by the Ministry of Health, the death rate for COVID-19 patients in Indonesia has reached 1,280 people. This is a table of data regarding the number of deaths that occur in the world according to the worldmatters.com. As we can see, Indonesia is the range first. According to the worldmatters.com, the death rate in Indonesia is the highest daily death rate in the world. The second is the increasing number of unemployed in Indonesia and even globally. Minister of Manpower Ida Fauzia said, in the last 5 years, the government has success in reducing the unemployment rate to 4.9%. But because of the COVID-19 pandemic, our efforts in the last 5 years have fallen apart. Our unemployment has increased from 4.9% to 7%, or 9.7 million people. Mrs. Ida said at the opening the competency-based training at the Job Training Center, Solo, Central Java. According to the Mrs. Ida, the increase in the number of unemployed does not only occur in Indonesia, but also experienced by all countries in the world. This is a graph of the increase in the number of unemployed in countries with the high economy level. The third is the increasing use of technology. COVID-19 not only has negative impact, but there are also positive impact. One of which is the increasing use of technology in the community. For example, in the world of education, the use of communication technology has greatly increased when COVID-19 hit this country because the government issues a policy to carry out all activity, whether it's work, worship, and study at home. According to the ICT for Development Research Daniel Oscar Baskoro in a virtual Indonesian press conference, he said that as a result of the COVID-19, there are 3 of them, one of which is more technology. Since there is pandemic, there will be more and more new technology that will be emerged, which will be used by our society to support their daily needs. As we can see in the field of the education, when COVID-19 is hitting technology, it is very useful in the learning process. Besides that, it also makes it easier for students to look for the things they don't understand when the learning process takes place. Not only students will benefit, teachers are also given the advantage of this technology and make teachers have to be more creative during the online learning process so that students don't feel bored and pressured. So there are some of the impact of COVID-19 that I can give. Hopefully this can be useful for many people. At the end of this video, I'm sorry if there are mistakes in words or my pronunciation. Thank you and see you!